The video has the subtitle. Please turn on captioning for better understanding.
Hello, I'm EmRatThich. Some amateur players don't know how to move their footwork, which affects their ability to play topspin consistently. Today, Sudin will teach us how to move around the table effectively. Where do you think you can improve?
I think it's the consistency of my looping. I always feel it's a bit lacking. After one loop, sometimes I can't recover in time when the opponent returns the ball.
This is the part 2. Sudin is jumping and lost his shoe. Haha, nobody saw that, right? Probably not. If you saw it, you'd be laughing. My bad, look at me. Even standing here, I can still do it. Standing here like this, isn't it a bit exaggerated? Hey, standing here and doing a side spin loop, isn't it over the top? But it still works. I just need to take the steps. If I stand here, maybe just one step, and I can hit it. Right. I can still loop from here. That's why you have to prepare in advance. Can you hear the sound? Actually, you can hear it, but you need to. Why do you sometimes move with the same hand and foot? This? Yeah, there's no space. This really can't be looped. But if I'm over there, as long as you know how to adjust your footwork, then you can strike. So when you feel uncoordinated, or when you feel like you can't generate power, it's because your legs aren't in the right position. Ah, that felt powerful. Like I'm stepping onto boats at once. For real? See, it feels great, right? You have to step. Listen to the sound. That's the sound you should be making. You have to. This movement relies on the legs. Not just. I'm not using my hand. There's not much force coming from the arm. It's all from the legs. It starts from the legs, then the waist, then the hand. But the most important thing is starting. If you don't move your legs, you can't hit properly. Come, feel it out. You can give it a bit more power. Because when they serve, you can move early. Take the first step first. Don't wait until you're already there. Is too hard. Just take a small first step, then a big second step.
I was too early, just slightly early.
Not too early. That's key. SS, this move is hard for the little girl. The method, I might have exaggerated, but now she knows how to practice it. They'll get coordinated soon. At least you're not moving your hands and feet together now. Yeah, you. Oh no. Wait, you. Don't lose focus. I was talking to him. You keep practicing. Think about it. How do you solve this? If the ball is big, the difficulty just increased. Yeah. Because I feel like you can top spin it. Then how should you return it? This is a step, but it's wrong. Yes. Good shot. Are you tired?
Very tired.
Of course. My legs are tired. That's why, earlier. It's because the legs got cold. When he was here, of course, he wasn't tired. The more he understands the importance of legs, with every shot, doesn't he bend his legs? Legs are tired. If you make me practice footwork, I'm also tired. I sidestep and do a forehand loop. Ah. Look at me. I'm running like this too. The second step needs to be balanced. If I run directly, it wouldn't be coordinated. Isn't this a two-step move? If I do it in one step, it's hard to. I don't know where to point. For example, if the ball is a little short, I might not reach it.
When I was younger, I was taught incorrectly.
You should directly name the coach. Make him feel embarrassed. After I finish my first loop, you can place the second ball anywhere on the table. Look at his legs. Is this the step to bounce? Yes, right. This is clearly the step where you have to move forward. If you stand there, it might look like this. Playing is not only about using your hands. Feet are very important. Even though table tennis is played with your hands, your legs are very important. So, if you train your legs well, you can loop from a standing position too. You also need to bounce. Yes, try it, stand there, then loop the ball from there. Looping from a stationary position. No, right? Just turn a bit and loop like this. Hey, let me teach you if it works immediately. You still stay there, but when you loop the ball, your left foot has to move forward. Step forward a little bit. Yes, you can. Yes, just a little bit more forward. Yes, now look at the bounce. Can you add more power with this step? No, your hand isn't right. No, it's still like before. You just need to add one more step with your legs. The legs haven't moved yet. The legs need to move. Step up like this. Are you still using your hand for power now? I didn't do it right. That's not the racket. Yes, the foot and hand need to work together. It can be done. Now, I told him for girls, it's really hard to sidestep and burst forward. Now you know how to adjust your legs. You realize it's not about not being able to topspin with your hand. I can't continue because of it, but actually, it's because your legs are not in the right position. I really want to learn this, because a lot of guys can do it this way. It really makes us angry. Many people get really mad.
Isn't it true that many people like that explosive forward movement?
Many guys like it. Isn't it true that many people love to see the dive and explosive Does anyone movement? Like diving and exploding forward?
A lot of guys do.
You say girls like it too. Does anyone like it? Some people do. Some like the backhand flick. Others like the explosive dive, right? So how about you? Do you like the powerful strike? Do you like the explosive dive or the fast counter? He likes the backhand. Yes, everyone Some people like backhand. Some like to like forehand. Some just like the backhand smash. Some people just like fast play. This might be a bit difficult, but adjusting your legs is really important.
This is an amazing lesson from Coach Sushin. Thank you very much, Sushin. The video is translated by EmRatThich. Watch more video on PingSunday.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.